Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install and work with the email scraper tool to extract emails from web pages. And without further ado, let's go to the GitHub repository. The link will be in the description. After opening the link, click code and then click download with zip. After the download, unzip the folder and make two new folders inside of it, one named driver and another named results. Make sure it is written correctly. After, go to the Chrome driver website and then click in the stable version and install the Chrome and the Chrome driver that match with your operating system. To install them, you should copy the link and paste it on a new tab. After the download, unzip the folders and copy what's inside the Chrome driver folder and paste it inside the driver folder that we just made. Return to the Chrome folder that we just downloaded and rename it with Chrome, a minus symbol, test, and paste it inside the driver folder. After, go to the Python website and download Python. Then install Python by clicking the Customize installation and click all the boxes. After the installation is done, go to the command line and write Python version to check if the installation is successful. Then write cd, then paste the project location. Now write the command pip install -r requirements.txt and make sure it is spelled correctly. After, download and install XAMPP using the links in the description. After the installation, open XAMPP and click Start to MySQL and to Apache, then click Admin on MySQL and then click on a new database and name it Email Scraper DB. It's important to write the same name and do not misspell it. Then click Create and click Import and choose the file inside the database folder. It is named emailscraperdb.sql. After this, go to the main folder and click on general.py and it will give you a local link copy. Copy the link and paste it in your browser. If you have done everything correct, you should be facing a login page. Sign up to see the website, and in the next video I will talk about how to use it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.